Today, we'll explore the 50-30-20 rule, a highly effective strategy for organizing your personal finances and saving money in a practical way. This approach offers an interesting alternative to the 75-10-15 rule, which we've already covered in another video on the channel. Don't forget to check out that video for more financial insights. The 50-30-20 rule provides a balanced and simple way to divide your budget, helping you manage your finances efficiently and reach your goals. Watch until the end to discover how to apply this rule and transform your financial management in a practical and effective way. Get ready to optimize your budget and take a big step toward gaining full control of your finances. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any valuable tips. 50% for basic needs. The 50-30-20 rule allocates 50% of your income to basic needs, which are essential expenses that ensure a stable life without financial surprises. Let's break down each component in this category to better understand what it includes and how to manage it. Housing is usually the largest expense in a person's life. It includes rent, mortgage payments, and home-related costs like insurance and property taxes. These costs are fundamental, as securing a safe and comfortable place to live is a top priority. Rent, monthly payments for living in a rented property. Mortgage, monthly loan payments for purchasing a home. Insurance and taxes, additional expenses related to property ownership, such as homeowners insurance and property taxes. Utilities, these are essential services that make day-to-day life possible and include expenses like water, electricity, gas, and internet. These services ensure comfort and functionality in your home. Water and sewage, costs related to water supply and sewage treatment. Electricity, the cost of electrical energy used in your home. Gas, expenses for heating and cooking. Internet and phone, essential communication services for work and social life. Transportation costs cover the necessary expenses for getting from point A to point B. Depending on your situation, this can include using a personal vehicle or public transportation. Fuel and maintenance, costs associated with driving a car, including gas and maintenance. Public transportation, tickets or fares for using buses, trains, or other public transportation. Vehicle insurance, insurance needed to protect your car from damages and accidents. Food is a critical part of basic needs and includes all your spending on groceries and dining out. Maintaining a healthy and balanced diet is essential for well-being. Groceries, spending on food and beverages for home consumption. Dining out, costs when eating out at restaurants. Basic staples, essential items like milk, bread, fruits, and vegetables that are crucial for a healthy diet. For practical tips on saving money on your basic needs, be sure to check out our ebook available in the description. It contains detailed strategies to help you reduce costs and optimize your budget effectively. 30% for lifestyle choices. According to the 50-30-20 rule, 30% of your income should be allocated to lifestyle-related expenses, including entertainment, leisure, and personal purchases. This allocation is essential to maintaining a balance between your needs and the ability to enjoy comforts and activities that contribute to a well-rounded lifestyle. Let's break down what goes into this category and how to manage it effectively. Leisure and entertainment expenses include activities you do to relax and have fun. This can include watching movies and TV shows, costs for streaming services or movie tickets. Cultural events and activities, attending concerts, festivals, and exhibitions. Outdoor activities, expenses for trips to parks, hiking, or picnics. Personal shopping refers to spending on non-essential items you might want, such as clothing, accessories, and beauty products. These expenses may include clothing and accessories, purchasing new outfits and accessories, beauty and personal care products, spending on personal and beauty products, other personal items, any other purchases that don't fall under basic needs or investments. Hobbies and leisure activities. This category covers the costs associated with hobbies and personal interests. Examples include Equipment and materials for hobbies. Purchasing supplies for hobbies like gardening, crafting, or sports. Memberships and clubs. Fees for joining clubs or groups related to your interests. Maintaining balance, managing these expenses is crucial to ensuring you don't exceed the 30% budget allocated to lifestyle. This involves regularly reassessing, reviewing your spending to ensure it stays within the 30% limit, creating a fun fund, setting aside a specific amount for leisure and entertainment, allowing for more controlled management, using budgeting tools. Financial apps can help monitor and adjust your lifestyle spending. Leave a comment below sharing how you manage your lifestyle expenses. 20% for savings and debt repayment. The 50-30-20 rule recommends that 20% of your income should be allocated towards savings and debt repayment. This allocation is essential for ensuring your long-term financial security and effectively managing any existing debt. Let's break down what falls into this category. Debt repayment includes paying off financial obligations such as credit cards, personal loans, and other high-interest debts. Prioritizing the reduction of these debts is key to avoiding high interest costs and improving your financial health. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is a cash reserve set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as health problems or job loss. This fund helps protect your financial stability during unforeseen events. Consistency in saving. Maintaining consistency in saving involves regularly allocating a portion of your income to future financial goals, such as retirement or large purchases. Regular savings habits contribute to the growth of your wealth over time. Future investments. Once you've paid off debts and built an emergency fund, you can start thinking about future investments. Diversifying your investments and contributing to retirement plans are ways to strengthen your financial foundation for the long term. For detailed strategies on how to save and manage your finances, check out our ebook, which offers valuable insights to help you optimize your budget. What do you think of the strategy of allocating 20% to savings and debt repayment? Leave your comment below and share your experiences. Conclusion. Organize your finances with the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is an effective financial strategy for organizing your personal finances, ensuring that you cover your basic needs, enjoy a comfortable lifestyle, and prepare for your financial future. With this approach, you can divide your income in a balanced way and keep your finances under control, making it easier to achieve your long-term financial goals. Applying the 50-30-20 rule helps structure your budget in a practical and manageable way. By allocating 50% of your income to basic needs, you ensure that essential expenses are covered. The 30% dedicated to lifestyle allows you to enjoy leisure and comforts, while the remaining 20% is reserved for savings and debt repayment, creating a solid financial foundation for the future and helping you avoid debt. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a comment below telling us how you organize your budget and share your own savings tips. Your participation is important to us and can help others manage their finances more effectively. Also, check out our video on the 75-10-15 rule here on the channel to discover more financial strategies that can complement your planning. And to deepen your knowledge, don't forget to check out our ebook in the video description, packed with valuable tips on personal finance and saving. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share. Until next time, may your ideas become great achievements.